In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your GoDaddy account. Whether you're dealing with a forgotten password or your username has slipped your mind, I'm here to guide you through every step of the recovery process. Let's get started right away. First, we'll need to head over to the GoDaddy login page. You can do this by visiting www.godaddy.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the sign in option. Give that a click and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Now, if you're having trouble logging in because you've forgotten your username or password, don't worry. Click on the Forgot Username or Password link. This will direct you to a page where you can start the process of recovering your account credentials. If it's your password that you're trying to remember, select the Forgot Password option. If it's your username or customer ID you've forgotten, then click on Forgot Username. You'll then need to provide some recovery information. For a password reset, enter either your username or the email address that's associated with your account. If it's the username you're seeking, simply enter your email address and GoDaddy will email you the details of your username or customer ID. After you've submitted the necessary information, the next task is to verify your identity. GoDaddy may send you a verification code, and this could be done through your registered email or even via an SMS to your registered phone number. In some cases, if you've set them up, you might be asked a few security questions. This step ensures that your account is kept safe and secure. Once you receive the verification code, go ahead and enter it. This will allow you to continue with the recovery process. At this point, if you're resetting your password, you'll need to create a new one. Be sure to choose something strong and unique to help protect your account. If it's your username you're retrieving, check your email for your customer ID or username details that GoDaddy has sent over. With your account credentials now sorted, it's time to log back in. Head back to the GoDaddy login page, enter your recovered username or email, and put in your new password. You should be all set and ready to access your account once again. However, if you're still having trouble accessing your account, you might need to take an extra step. Visit the GoDaddy account recovery page and provide proof of identity, such as a government-issued ID and proof of any recent payment you've made. GoDaddy's support team will manually verify your information and assist you with regaining access. And that's it! You should now have full access back to your GoDaddy account. Remember, keeping your login details secure is vital to maintaining the safety of your online presence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you.